An easy on-the-go recipe, and I'm about to show you one of my absolute favorites that's going to take you less than 5 minutes to make. First, we're going to need a blender. I'm going to start with peeling one banana, just adding it into the blender. Next, I will be adding 1/4 cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of nut butter. I'm using almond butter, but you can use peanut butter or any nut butter that you like. I'm adding 1/4 cup of plant milk. I'm using oatmeal, but you can use soy, almond, or any milk of your choice. And sometimes I like to add like a frozen coffee cubes. Although I stopped drinking coffee myself like 2 years ago, I still love the taste. So I'm using decaf. You can also add any sweetener of your choice if you have a sweet tooth. And let's get blending. I usually use this flask and just put a smoothie in. Now I'm just gonna seal the lid, and I've got my breakfast on the go.